Hey, it's MJ here, and you know what I love about Costco? You can drive there right now, grab a shopping cart the size of a Mini Cooper, and pick up 600 rolls of toilet paper, a new couch, and a $1.50 hot dog. Hey, it's like Disneyland for adults with jobs. But you know what's really neat about Costco? As of just a few months ago, you could swing by and pick up a 1-ounce bar of 99.9% pure gold. Seriously, and they've been flying off the shelves. But before you head down there and get some for yourself, you'll want to be warned because it could completely backfire on you. So let's dive in. Well, first, that people are going crazy for gold. Why? Two things, most likely. One, inflation is crazy stubborn, and two, gold's holding its value and the price is going up. So the moment Costco started selling gold and silver in-house, it's been flying off their shelves. In fact, they've been selling $200 million worth of it every single month. Okay, so that's what we know, but why is it a problem? Let me break it down for you. First up, getting a fair shake on physical gold is one tough rodeo. You just don't know if you're getting a good price. I mean, think about it. Gold peddlers and coin shops, they gotta make their bread somewhere, right? So when you go to buy, they slap on some fat premiums on top of whatever the actual gold price is. But when it's time to finally cash in that gold down the road, well, you know, they're going to lowball you with those pawn shop prices. That's why the shady side of this precious metals game doesn't look very good, because you're getting nicked twice, once on the way in and once on the way out. Secondly, look, if you're buying gold to defend your retirement, there are much more lucrative ways to do that. More on that in a moment. Plus, you'll be faced with extra taxes when it's time to sell. So if buying them gold bars or coins from places like Costco ain't the answer, then what is, you ask? Well, let me show you a smarter way to play this game. Instead of physical gold, you might want to consider opening up what they call a Gold IRA. Now hold up, I can hear you already. A Gold IRA, what the heck is that thing? Just hear me out for a second, because once you get what it's about, it's actually pretty solid. With one of those gold IRAs, rather than buying actual solid gold, you're basically purchasing gold and other precious metals through a special type of self-directed retirement account. Now, that's kind of a misnomer, because while you're technically purchasing the precious metals like gold and silver, now what's really happening is you're converting your cash to another form of money, gold and silver, and not just some paper representation of it. You get me? Now here's the key benefits that make it awesome. One, you're still getting exposure to gold and its potential to hedge against economic storms. For example, like when we saw the price of gold shoot up nice from 2008 through 2010 when that Great Recession whole thing was raging. Two, it's tax advantage just like a regular IRA, meaning the value can grow tax deferred and everything. And three, you ain't got to stress about securing actual physical gold yourself anymore. And look, I ain't saying you should go all in on one of these gold IRA things either. Like any investment, the name of the game is building a balanced, diverse portfolio. But having some gold exposure as a counterbalance to your other assets could make a whole lot of sense, especially with these economic headwinds that we've been facing, right? Well, the best part is setting up one of these gold IRAs nowadays is pretty straight up. So if you want the secrets to how to get a good deal with a gold IRA, then find the link in the description and check that out. But if you wanted to see the legal hack to help your retirement savings last as long as you intended, so your retirement money isn't devalued because of inflation, then go ahead and watch this video right here.